Hi, this is Don at Severna Sew and Vac. We're going to go over a simple belt change on a Kirby vacuum cleaner. We get a lot of customers that have a problem with it because it appears kind of confusing if you've never seen it done live before. First thing you want to do is you want to step on the foot ratchet and bring it up to its highest position. Turn the machine towards you and raise the hood. Now, this centerpiece here has a control, and you want to turn this to the left and release the head, and it comes right off. Okay. If you look inside the little hole here in the back, you'll see a belt and you'll see a hook, and the belt's on the hook. Okay, you want to turn the centerpiece again to release that belt. Then you want to release the bottom plate to provide access to the roller brush. Take the belt that's stretched to one side and pull it out. Now, on the roller brush ends, it's a 3-position setting so you can adjust it for wear. If you notice, there's one notch here and one notch here. If I turn it over, you'll see 2 notches and 2 notches, and then finally 3 on this side and 3 on this side. Okay, you want to make sure when you put it back in that you line up so there's always in the same position on each end. You don't want to have it on 3 on one side and 1 on the other. Now, and to install a belt, you're going to slide the belt on. Okay, I'm going to put this one on 2 because this brush is a little older and it's going to show some wear and be a little soft. Then we're going to slide it back into the agitator housing. Position the belt in the center, reinstall the bottom plate, and then latch it down. Now this is the important part. I'm going to take that piece in the front, okay, and I'm going to hook the belt and bring it back up to that 12 o'clock position. Okay, then I'm going to slide it back onto the machine and latch it down. Now for the final step, I'm going to turn this clockwise so I can read the word Kirby again and lower the hood. And now we're done installing a belt on a Kirby vacuum cleaner. Thank you for your time. I hope this helps.